Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and New Year. So this is my first video of this year, and I just want to start off by saying I have not finished my 12 days of Christmas. I completely reached burnout at the end of last year. I had so much going on the last couple of months that I really needed to have a break and rest. So I have had a couple of weeks of absolutely chilling and I feel so much better. So I will be finishing my 12 days of Christmas, and I'm actually thinking I'll be saving them for July, and I'll be using brand new Christmas product when that comes out. So I hope you don't mind. I'm just going to try and roll that into my Christmas in July. So that's going to take a lot of pressure off me because I have so much planned for this year. So yesterday I went up to Craft Stash HQ and we had all day meetings, and they took me out for lunch and everything, and it was really nice. So we have a lot of plans and exciting things coming along for Simply Made Crafts, and they gave me this, and I would love to do an unboxing video for you because this is totally up my street and it's available at the moment at Craft Stash. So this is the So Beautifully Organised box. Oh, and before I move on to this, I just want to put in some footage here of some beautiful countryside on my train journey up. So this is the Peak District, I believe it is, and the train just goes all the way through there. There's barely any telephone reception on my mobile phone, but it was just so lovely just to take that train ride through that. I love, that's one of my favourite parts of the journey when I go up to Craft Stash. So yeah, I really enjoyed that, so I hope you enjoyed that piece of scenery too. So let's have a quick look inside. So this is a stationery kit, and it's going to be out every single month. So I'm going to pull this out. There's loads in here, and it's $14.99 at the moment. There's international postage as well, so it comes in this lovely box actually that you can keep, and it's basically a traveller's notebook set for this kit. So the kit's going to be different every single time, where you can add additions to this kit. I don't know the full details on what each kit is going to be, but I know you can build upon things. There's going to be, you know, different things that you can get. So look at these. I'm just going to move those aside. Let's start off with the basic traveller's notebook first. Okay, so this is the basic wrap here. So we have two pockets. I haven't done any folding yet. I had a quick look last night when I got home, but look at this lovely pattern here. I absolutely love that, and it's got all the score lines, and it has the pockets here, and it also has these elastics here, so you can add 4 notebooks onto here, and also you have these pockets there and the wrap. So I'll be setting this up today, so move that aside. We also have 2 of these books here. So this one is lined. It's got these lovely details here, so you can use these for making lists, planning your day, even decorating, using as like a mini album style journal as well, so that's perfect. And here we have plans as well. I just love this colour combination. And here we have a planner section here, so that keeps going all the way through. It's undated, so you can just do as you wish with this, and if you don't like the front and the back, you can quite easily decorate this. If you're into traveller's notebooks and things like that, it's going to be so easy for you to just cover this up if you don't like it. So you can even cover up any of the central pages just to create a break inside your planner. And at the back here we also have a pocket. Let's just see if there's one at the back of this one too. No, there's no pocket on this one, but it's just a pocket here on the planner there, so you can add like receipts and other, you know, memorabilia and tickets and things. So those are those 2. So I'm just going to quickly set this up as we move along. So it has the score lines here, so I'm just going to fold this up. So this kit is available as of today, and I know the people that have already ordered this, their orders have already been dispatched. So if you have ordered this, it's winging its way to you right now. Okay, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4 score lines, so it's going to curve over like this. I just absolutely love this. So let's set this up. So I'm going to put in my plans in first. So find the middle of the book and just slot this in. There we go. This is quite a sturdy piece of cardstock as well. It really, really is. So it's going to survive anything. You know, if you put it in your handbag or anything like that, it's going to be absolutely fine. So I'm going to pop the second one in here, just like so. And there are 2 spares here, so I don't know whether we'll be getting any more booklets or anything like that, but these are standard sizes, and I know that Craft Stash do other books, and I will show you another few things that I've bought that were delivered last week that I can use with this. So this is going to flip over, and there we go. Isn't that really, really nice so far? So let's pop that aside. And let's look at all the other things that we get in the kit. So let's start off with those pens. Here we go. So here we get this lovely pen here. So I'm going to try this out. I need to grab a spare piece of paper. Do I have a spare piece of paper? Probably not. Okay, I'm just going to grab this here. As you can tell, these colours are just so up my street. This is my favourite. Oh, look at those. That's going to go really nice together. So I can probably cut this down and use that inside the journal. So this is the pen. And you get a tassel here. And if you're wondering if I have injured myself, that was putting the tree away. It got me twice. So how do we open this? You don't push it. I think it's a twist. There we go. You twist the lid like that. Okay, let's see how this writes. So I may have to, oh no, it works straight away. That works really well, and that feels really nice. That writes really nice. My pretend handwriting. Some people have signatures like that. Okay, that's the pen, and you have this navy blue tassel on there, and that's a real tassel as well. And then we have a choice of another 2 tassels here. So these clip on, have these little clips here, so you can actually hook this onto your elastic as well. And I'm just going to see if I can hook this onto, it won't go through the eyelet, they're a bit far down, but it will hook onto this elastic here. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I like that. You can add all sorts of charms here. Probably add some at the bottom as well. So we have choice here of cream, pink, very pale pink, and the navy. Love that. Let's move those aside. So we also get some tissue paper in with this. So you can use this however you wish. You can cut it up, you can die cut some flowers, you know, to add it. But just the peach colour is going to go really well with the whole notebook. And here we also have a card here. This is just a greetings card that says hello. I probably won't be giving this to anybody because I'll be keeping it for myself. So let's get this off here. This will also fit in there if you want to slot that in, and if you want to layer it up, it may, oh, sorry if that was really loud, and that will also layer inside there as well. Loads of options. And inside here we have, I'm going to have to get this out. Okay, we have a sheet of paper here, so you can cut that down. And then we have some stickers here with days of the month, and they are on repeat, so I think you get 2 sets of the year. And we also have some washi here as well, some washi strips. There we go. It's translucent as well, so that's going to look really nice. You can really make some lovely spreads with this one. Pop that there, and then we also have some die cuts as well that are going to match the paper. So we get 4 die cuts, I think it's just 4. Make sure we have no strays. So we have this, it's like a Rudbeckia flower, we have some foliage, some leaves, and we have here some closed flowers. So this is just to get you started off, and remember this is just the first kit, so you'll be getting other items as well. I'm not too sure if they're going to match this paper collection, but if you want to, if you like to decorate differently and use loads of different things, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say is this will be perfect for one spread, and then in future kits there'll be different patterns and colours, so you can do different colours added into your traveller's notebook. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Right, so this is an envelope to go with the greetings card. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all my bits inside there just to keep them safe. There we go, so I can get rid of that cellophane bag now. There we go, very nice. And we also get just a quick leaflet here about it as well. And last but not least, we have 2 sheets of paper. I think these are A3, so they're going to fold out like that, so you can use these. Whoops, sorry. There we go. You can use these however you wish. I think I have this upside down, but it's repeating some of the elements here from the die cuts and the just the general look. So you can use this as wrapping paper. It's quite thick, it's very thick. It's going to be really nice wrapping paper there. You can even cut this down and use it inside your album, sorry, your traveller's notebooks. I would be tempted to actually iron out these creases and use it on a mini album. You know, when you make your hardcover wraps, this would make a perfect wrap. It's just the right size as well, especially if you're making a large mini album. So there's absolutely loads and loads of things that you can do with this one. So that's the first one, and the second one matches in perfectly with the rest of the box. It's going to match with this one here with the book there, and then this one here is going to match with the paper behind. So everything has been really well thought out. I absolutely love this, and I really can't wait for the next kit as well. So you can order this. I'll leave the link down below, and this will also be featured on my website, which is helengriffin.co.uk. and if you like this sort of video, give me a thumbs up, and remember you can order this internationally, crafts-do international postage, and there are free shipping thresholds. If you reach them, you can get free shipping. So if you order a whole bunch of heavy things, it's going to be free, and I've heard that the delivery is quite fast as well. So thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again next time.